So congratulations, Sophie. You're into the semi-finals of the Optus 18s. How's your form been this week?
My form's been good. My first match and my second match felt a bit of pressure and had to step up, but I played really well yesterday and I felt really good out there today, so I'm really happy to be through to the semis.
And how about your year leading into the showdown? Are you pretty confident with the work you've put in this year?
Yeah, I've been working really hard up in Brisbane at the National Academy, and I've had a really good year, and I feel really good. Just got to finish the year off now with. It'd be great to, win this tournament and be 18 under champion.
What would that mean to you to be the 18s champ for Australia?
It'd be really special. Actually haven't won a nationals yet. I've won quite a few doubles, and I've made finals and semis, but I've never quite got there. So it'd mean a lot to win it this year.
And it's great to be back on the outdoor course today after all the rain we've had in the last few weeks.
Yeah, it's really good to be outside, and it's a really good atmosphere here today and a good vibe, so it's really good.
And just after the showdown, what have you got next for the Australian summer?
Well, I'll go home after Australian Open playoff, and I'll have Christmas, and then I'll be back into training, and hopefully I'll be playing qualies at the Australian Open.
All right. Well, good luck. Thanks for that. Cheers.